Cristel Fulgar is officially a wife. Si Cristel, isang dating going Bulilit star at certified K-drama girly, ikinasal na sa Korean opa na si Ha Soo-hyuk. Fairy tale wedding to Bes held sa Seoul last May 10, 2025 sa dreamy Luna Miele with all the K-drama vibes. Ang gown, ang venue, ang feels, parang final episode ng isang love story. And the twist, Soo-hyuk converted to Iglesia ni Cristo para kay Cristel. Faith over feels, di ba? Punong-puno ng heart, culture, and true love. Cristel in her gown. Soo-hyuk looking like a K-drama lead. Lahat ng fans, kinilig. And here's the hugot. Minsan, the best love stories don't come fast. They come right. So if you're still waiting, maybe you're just on God's timeline. Don't settle for less than a love that honors you and honors God. Because fairy tales, they're real kapag may tiwala ka at dasal.